Blogging is the most popular and easiest way of making money nowadays. Well, I started my first blog in February 2019, and you won't believe within 3 months of my blogging career, I made $600. Here is the proof. As you can see here, I made $600 from WP Engine affiliate marketing. So what are these affiliate marketing and how we can make such kind of money with blog? I will explain you all these things in this entire tutorial. Hey guys, my name is Saddam Qasim, and in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can start your own blog and start earning money from today itself. This video is 100% beginner friendly, so you won't need to be a computer science student or a computer graduate to start your own blog. Even anyone can do blogging. If you are a home worker, or if you are an employee, if you are a student, anyone can start their own blog and monetize it to make a passive income. So there are so many ways to earn money like Google AdSense, affiliate marketing. So I will be explaining each and everything in this video, and trust me, after watching this entire video, you will be able to create your own blog today itself. So let's go ahead and jump into the video tutorial.